Okay, so ayan, guys, this is a different vlog kasi we were so far away from the city of Ho Chi Minh, guys. It will take us like 45 minutes ride one way by bus. And we have a few more bus here. Ang layo talaga, guys, no? Kaya medyo tinamad na akong lumabas, guys. Ayan, dito parang sa harap actually may mga binibinta na dito, guys. So any of you is fond of buying souvenirs, this is the best place to Pero yung price dito, guys, is I'm not sure kung ganun ba kamura compared sa doon sa city. I suspect, no, ba out of convenience, I think mas maganda siguro kung dito na lang bibili, guys, no? Mga souvenir. We got some bracelets like this and some hats, dami lang mga dito. Yan, sila, medyas. And mind you, guys, itong babaeng itong tendera dito, guys, I think that was like 10 years ago, I think, when I first saw her. And mind you, guys, dito mga babae nakabalot din sila, lalo na sa lunch, guys, midday, as in balot na balot yun sila. They're really protecting their skin. Siya pa rin yung babae dati, guys, na nagbibinta dito. Siguro may connection to sa dito sa port. So ayan, guys, may maraming mga binibili dito mga damit. How much is it for the t-shirt?
This t-shirt, $5.
$5? $5. So isang guys, it's about $5, $10, $15. It depends. No discount?
Right.
Full price?
Right.
I remember you are still selling here.
Yes.
Many years ago. Like I told you guys, been here long time.
Yes.
Alright, Vietnam number 1. Alright. Say it again.
Yeah.
Ayan, guys.